Google AI Mode. Did you know that Google's newest AI-powered interface might make scrolling through endless links a thing of the past? If you're still relying on old-style searches, you could already be behind. Google AI Mode, launched in 2025, completely transforms search into an interactive, conversational, and multimodal experience that feels less like searching and more like having a knowledgeable assistant by your side. Instead of typing one keyword at a time, you can ask multi-part questions, refine your search with follow-ups, and never repeat yourself. The AI remembers your context. Using multimodal input, you can snap a photo with Google Lens or use voice commands to ask detailed questions about what you see. Google AI Mode pulls real-time data, like live stock prices, weather updates, sports scores, and shopping trends, presenting them as dynamic visualizations and summaries from over 70 sources, all with proper citations. Shopping is no longer a scattered process either. Through its shopping graph and agentic checkout tools, you can compare products, see reviews, and even complete purchases right within your search. Personalization is also key. Google taps into your Gmail, Maps, and Calendar, only if you allow it, to provide responses tailored to your needs, while incognito mode ensures privacy when you want it. For marketers and businesses, this shift means SEO strategies must focus on high quality, original content, and structured data, as Google AI Mode prioritizes trusted, detailed information. Already widely available in the United States and India, with a global rollout plan within 24 months, Google AI Mode is redefining how we access knowledge, shop, and make decisions. If you're ready to experience search that feels alive and responsive, it's time to give Google AI Mode a try, because the old way of searching might soon be history.